Today we're gonna make a cocktail. You won't know because the cocktail is gone because it was just super juicy and tasty and tart. So
love it.
You're gonna have to watch.
And we use this.
Welcome to Continental Cocktails. Today we're gonna show you how to make a tropical bitter elixir. This is Ian, that's Dan, and this is Derek. That's me though. We're gonna the tropical bitter elixir created by my wife. I believe you created all these, so this one counts. 2 ounces of aged or dark rum, 3/4 ounce of Aperol, 1/2 ounce of passion fruit puree, whole ounce of passion fruit puree, 1/2 ounce of coconut cream, 1/2 ounce of lime juice, and 1/4 ounce of honey syrup, 2 dashes of orange bitters. This must have taken you
There's
forever.
a lot of shit in here.
Yeah.
Where the hell did you get that?
Internet.
Damn.
How did you get that? I think it came with it came in what do you call it? A frozen the ice thingies. You know,
it did?
No, it came from Amazon.
No, but when it shows up, it was.
No.
Yeah, it's not frozen.
It's not frozen.
You only
So it was warm when it came.
Yeah.
Yes, once you open it, that's when you have. That's when
I freeze it because I know we're not going to use it.
Yeah.
Super fast.
Yeah.
What do you mean? You don't just drink that every night?
Again.
I'm like, oh, I love passion fruit, and I'm like, holy shit, this is sour.
It looks like I'm meant to drink like a baby food.
Bag of baby
That's if like it says that's if you're like making smoothies or if you really like fucking making drinks.
If it was a good drink, then we'd make it for the pool.
Yeah, that's true.
So that we back in the day, like we were saying before, I had probably before the camera came on, but we used to get Perfect Puree. Remember those? Ian? They had Perfect Puree. They sponsored an episode or 2 or 3 or whatever, and they sent me everything they make, like in fucking big ass styrofoam containers, like just containers full of puree.
Jesus Christ.
So I had these things for years, like in the freezer. I just anytime, I always had them. Then I finished them and I was like, damn it. I remember the day I had all that stuff. It was pretty cool. Like, it's nice to have it, just you never know when you're going to need it.
Yeah, especially if you can just freeze it.
Yeah, but Perfect Puree is super expensive to have shipped and brought to you because it's going to be frozen because it's like all natural and stuff. Like that obviously probably has 1,000 ingredients in it, right?
No, it's 100% natural.
Yeah.
Oh.
I don't think that one's that bad.
100% natural.
Maybe
it's ideal for cocktails, desserts, and smoothies.
Does it have soybean oil?
Yeah.
I don't. 100% natural. Where's the ingredient list? Is that it? Is that the ingredient list? That small print?
No, right here.
Oh, that's not too bad.
Yeah, I didn't think it was too bad.
It's still got a lot of the things that probably keep it so that you don't have to put it in the refrigerator.
Like whatever that is, 100% of. Like
that's a ticking time bomb.
Yeah.
This keeps it.
Don't worry about it.
It's fine.
Do you have toasted coconut flakes? Or are we not doing that?
Let's not do that. I don't know why
That's way too fancy.
Toasted coconut flakes. I'd have to
should have
make
totally
those.
did that.
I'd have to get coconut. Make some flakes out of it.
You could have just had flakes, and then Ian would have toasted it.
Like with a burger.
Yeah, I mean, he would have loved to do that. He wants to cut open bottles and toast coconuts.
Okay, I dropped the ball on that one. I didn't know.
Yeah,
these were
next time.
You almost have to do that again.
Shit.
Wow.
There's also a sticky mess. We can show the coupe glass.
It's always the coconut, the cream of coconut.
Yeah, this stuff's awesome. Also, probably has more ingredients than you probably want.
Oh, yeah.
You don't look at that when you drink it. So this is reminiscent of the painkiller because that's the only reason I have this bottle is for painkillers. These painkillers are fantastic. I guess that and coconut.
For bitter and a citrus kiss.
This is delicious smelling.
Oh, you're gonna like this one.
Delicious smelling.
Delicious.
Oh, it's gonna be tiki. Look, it's brown.
Oh yeah.
A complex twist of tiki flavors with a bitter edge. This must be this is ChatGPT coming up with this.
Yeah, that's right.
Exactly what I typed in.
Yeah, I can see that.
She's like, I want a drink that's like me.
Sweet with a bitter edge.
Sweet with a bitter finish.
I did that. Told me to drink water.
Huh?
Told me to drink water when I prompted it like that.
Yeah.
Oh.
Did you shake it for 15 seconds?
Oh yeah.
Oh,
yeah, the shaker was really cold. You had trouble opening it.
It smells good.
It smells whatever Ian said.
And that's why you're the producer, Jen. You're paying attention to the details.
See?
Oh,
Nothing gets
That's what we likes about Jen.
Yeah.
It's It'll creep up on you. It's that I'm telling you, passion fruit. When you make passion fruit drinks, be ready for sour. Like it has that lemon-esque like sour.
It kicks you on the back of your tongue.
Yeah, and this is a lime-based drink, but it has like just. It's got like that dry, sour fruitiness. I
can taste the lime.
It's good because it's not overly sweet, but the bitter also like shuts it down to make it.
Nothing off my mustache all night.
It's obviously
sticky.
It should be. It tastes like it should be sweeter. Like it feels like it's sweet, and then all of a sudden it dries out a little bit. It hits you with that sourness.
Yeah.
It's this crazy. The Coco Real has that like that smoothness it gives it. You get that oil like right away, like that like coconut oil like all over your face.
like my favorite videos.
I feel like I shouldn't even be in the middle.
Yes. Do you prefer drinking your alcohol or vaping it?
Drinking.
We haven't vaped alcohol in years. It's
It's a little like tart bitter.
It's in the name, dude. Tropical Bitter Elixir. This is
It's good.
This is a drink that I have a hard time not taking more sips of.
Yes.
Like it just wants
That
to.
it just makes you want to keep.
Yeah, like a lot. And it has that sweet like that or passion fruit flavor to it. So like it tastes juicy, but it doesn't. It's not sweet like you think it would be.
Is it a pool drink?
I don't think it's a pool drink.
With some club soda.
Yeah, maybe you'd have to lighten it up a little bit. Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel like I just did a spritz of club soda on the top. Here, you guys. You'd have
to kind of like
get some
level
salsa.
it out.
Some salsa. Salsa, kid.
I think it's a really good drink. I don't know if I could drink it all day.
Yeah, because this stuff. Well, here. So that's the other thing is you'll end up with like a stomach ache after.
That's what I'm saying. It's gonna
You're gonna be in the sun and you're gonna have all that sugar.
Yeah.
Well, but the hangover thing, it happens anyway. Like you've got it.
It doesn't have to.
No.
It's all in your control.
Well, yeah, but even like at the
we're
pool,
old now.
drinking all day
I
at the pool.
gotta go to bed at like 10 to not have a hangover. Because then the problem is that either I go to bed at like 4.
Right.
Yeah. You have two
I go to bed at
times.
like 9.
Yeah.
10.
It's either 10 or 4.
That's yummy.
It's really good. Do you think it's a pool drink though?
No, like it's again. I think it's like another drink that you can have like one. Like it's.
These are like you can
sitting on a
all.
patio outside.
Yeah.
Definitely.
So these
after
are
pool? After pool drink.
After pool, yes.
or before,
Or maybe before. Like it's a one drink. Yeah.
So basically, what we've been doing is we've been finding ways of making me bring all of my shit to the pool because I have to make like one-offs. Like not because you wouldn't want a whole 128 ounce jar. I mean, I would.
don't have to make them. I was just.
No, I know. I'm just trying to figure out like what.
No, this is a good judgment of what we want to bring.
But
it's a really good drink.
I think though you could club soda-ize this drink, and it's gonna keep all that flavor. Yeah, with club soda.
I don't know if I do club soda.
Yeah, I don't.
Why?
I like it the way it is. It's just not. It's not a drink you would have like a lot of.
Okay, what about
It's
this?
too bitter.
What about blend it with ice? So you dilute it down with the
juice. I think it's a lot
with the
of
freeze.
juice.
Too much
juice.
This is just like a thick type thing.
Yeah,
it gives a
like
thick
thicker.
mouthfeel.
Yeah.
Yes.
It is a-
Passion
This
fruit.
does too.
That
Like
too,
yeah.
Passion fruit. All the passion fruits I've had, even like BG Reynolds passion fruit syrup, it's super like just in your face. Like you make a Pieces of 8 or a Hurricane or any of these drinks with that stuff. You have to bring it down because it's just got so much like tartness to it. It's not just sour, it's not like that extra tart taste to it. And these little guys here they have on the picture aren't really that tart. The yellow ones though fuck you up. Like yellow passion fruit, like when you don't know that there's two different types,
Yeah, those are sour.
dude, like it's like biting into a lemon.
Oh.
Like but
Right up your alley.
Yeah.
You love that?
Yeah.
You like it a lemon.
I like it a lemon. I like it a lemon. It's just making my face look weird.
You could enter a gurning competition
Jesus.
after a lemon.
Gurning.
Gurning is a sport
Are you two-
in England
Like there was
where
a
they
whole
contort their
wall.
face.
Are you
into
two
these
sharing
weird,
that? or like?
Chess characters.
Okay, I mean, I didn't know if the cat was drinking a little bit.
Drink some of it
You guys
too.
drink over half.
I don't know if we did that.
Yes.
I think that's an exaggeration.
Right?
Yeah.
I took 2 little tiny bits.
You
Yeah.
probably drank it from the Boston Shaker.
Just a little bit.
So go get yourself some bartender starter kits, multiple, so you can start bartending.
Some mats.
Yeah.
You need mats.
Some mats. Some what is
That's
that?
people gurning.
What?
It's a facial contortion thing.
That's fucking weird. Okay, whatever. So go to shop.oddstreaks.com, pick up your bartender starter kit, and then the links below. Make some cocktails, build this thing, give us a suggestion on whether you like it or not. I don't know if that's a suggestion as much as a comment. Get yourself some. Oh, this is from Amazon?
Yeah.
I can link it. I'll link it below. So then you guys can find it if you can't find stuff locally, because I know I can't find that shit locally. That's it. So we get a sidebar or something over there. It's probably like a video over
Watch
Ian's head.
something.
Watch it and keep clicking until it's bedtime. That's it. We're teaching you how to drink.